This one.
No way. No way. No way. No way.
What's this? Sam. What's this? Apple. This one, what's this? Banana. This one, what's this? Ay? Cat. This one, what's this? Dog. This one, what's this? Elephant. Makain eh. What's this? Fish. Very good. This one, what's this? Goat. Very good. This one, what's this? Horse. Very good. This one, what's this? No, what's this?
Of equal significance, we have allocated funds to finally implement the expanded career progression system for our public school teachers. This
Hindi pa tapos?
professional development and career advancement within the
What's this?
This expanded system lays out two major
What's this?
career paths for our teachers to pursue: the teaching and the school
Screen.
administration,
This one, what's this?
each of which shall have ample career growth opportunities. With this system in place, we will accelerate the career growth
Juice. Ang haba naman. This one, what's this?
ng public school teacher ang magre-retire na teacher 1 lamang.
Kite. Very good. This one, what's this? Lion. Very good. This one, what's this?
Ang hinahangat nating pagbago sa larangan ng edukasyon.
Monkey. Very good. This one, what's this?
Nating rinaguyod at patatagin. Last year, we reported that our system of higher education was gaining international recognition for all the right reasons.
Nest. Very good.
87
This one, what's this?
higher education institutions have now made it.
Orange. Very good. This one, what's this?
51 of them are public universities or colleges.
Pig. Very good. This one, what's this?
Also, we witnessed this past school year
Queen. Very good. This one, what's this?
higher education, both in public and in private.
Rabbit. Very good. This one, what's this?
Likewise noted,
Snake. Very good. This one, what's this?
achievement. Statistics do not lie.
Turtle. Very good. This one, what's this?
People ultimately land decent jobs.
Umbrella. Very good. This one, what's this?
Further boosts the employability
Why?
of our
What this? What's this one?
The Philippine Innovation
What's this one?
and program
Watermelon. Very good.
and inspiring key sectors and the public to generate solutions
This one, what's this?
and to drive innovation forward across the country.
Xylophone. Very good. This one, what's this? Yo-yo. Very good. This one, what's this? Zebra. Very good. Clapping. Tapos na.